Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today I'm finally unboxing the Xbox Series X. Finally found one, finally picked one up. They're finally readily available in my area. So I was finally able to get one after about a year of trying. It doesn't really fit in the frame here on my current camera setup, and I didn't want to have to readjust everything to unbox it, so bear with me on that. But once we get the box out of the way, hopefully it'll be a little bit easier to see. Not really sure. Haven't really watched any unboxings on this, so I don't really know what the top is and where it opens, but we're gonna peel these things off here. They are. Thought the pull tabs would be a little easier to pull, but probably should have just cut them. Alright, so it does open from the front, it looks like. Very nice presentation there. See if I can get it out a little bit. Power your dreams. Sorry, I gotta pull it forward, the box is gonna fall off the table. Just gonna put the Xbox to the side for a second. We'll check out everything else that's in here. Alright, we just have a little getting started card right here. And that is it for the box, so we'll get rid of that. And then in here we have your controller, which I will not be using because I have an Elite controller. One thing I find very annoying still is that Microsoft still does not give you a rechargeable controller. It's still AA batteries. I mean, I can see that on like something like the X, or the S, sorry. You know, getting like this basic controller like that. But for the X, I mean, come on, they should have included, if not the Elite controller, maybe at least a rechargeable controller, something with built-in batteries that you can just plug in and charge. I mean, it has USB-C. Why not just throw the batteries in there and make them rechargeable? It's not a bad controller. It feels pretty good. I like the grips on the, you know, on the triggers here and everything like that. You know, it's a good controller, but you just have to put batteries in it and change the batteries and do all that. So if you're a hardcore gamer, if you're going to be playing a lot, definitely recommend picking up something like the Elite controller or a rechargeable battery pack for it. Have your power cord right here, and then we have your HDMI cable right here. You know, I would even be okay with them taking out the HDMI cable and using that cost savings to give you rechargeable batteries. I have plenty of HDMI cables, so you know, not having to buy batteries would be nice. That's everything else you get in the box, and then we just have your product safety right here. So that looks to be it. Doesn't look like they give you a trial of Xbox Live or anything like that anymore either, which they used to with like games and consoles and stuff like that. So doesn't look like that is in the box on this either. So there is the accessories right here. We'll go ahead and I'll grab the Xbox again, and we will go ahead and unwrap that. Alright, so here is the console itself. Looks like this just peels off. I think that's the bottom of it. says Xbox Hello from Seattle on it, which is where Microsoft is headquartered, if you didn't know. Go ahead and take a look at the back real quick while we're back here. So we have your two USB ports right here. Have your Ethernet, power, HDMI, and expansion. So nice port selection. It is 1 terabyte, so I did not get any sort of external storage or anything like that, at least not yet. And then right here we have the top, which if you're looking at it from an angle, you can see kind of like a green in there. It's kind of like half of it is black on the top and then green in there, so it's really cool looking. Have the fan right there. And then on the front right here, we have your disk drive and your eject button, power button up there, and then we do have an additional USB port and the controller pairing button, or accessory pairing button, I guess, right here on the front as well. So that is the console itself. It does look like it can be either stood up long ways like this, or laid down like this. There are feet on the bottom, so either orientation is fine. Will not hurt the unit to do either one of those. So that's pretty cool. If you need to lay it under like a TV or something like that, you can do so. But that is the Xbox Series X. I'm going to go set this up and play the new Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 on here. I'm going to download it. I have a download code for it. But I'm calling with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a good day.